guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an Ipsy unboxing. As you can tell, I don't have any makeup on, and that is because whatever we get in the Ipsy bag is how I'm gonna do my makeup today. So we're gonna open it up. I can already see one item. I guess it didn't fit in the bag, but this is what the bag looks like. Very tropical. I love the blue with the pink. It has the Ipsy zipper. I guess we're gonna do this one first because it wasn't in the bag. It's Pacifica Bronze Rose, and it's a rose and coconut infused blush and bronzer. I've never had anything from this brand, so I'm actually really excited to try it out. It's really big packaging, so I'm excited to see what this looks like on the inside. Oh wow. The first thing I noticed is there's a huge mirror on the back. I really like that, so you can just flip it over and see yourself. It is 100% vegan and it's cruelty free. I love the packaging on this, and then here is what they look like. I think they are both really pretty colors, and I'm excited to use these on my face today. The next thing in this bag, yes, so we got the Glam Glow. I did see spoilers and I was really hoping I got this. It's the Glam Glow Moisturizer, Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. I love Glam Glow, so I'm excited about that. The next thing, oh, this is a weird one. It's from Ico, and this is a mascara. I hope it's not blue. It's a waterproof mascara. It doesn't say what color it is. This looks like a chapstick tube or even like a moisturizer tube, so it's kind of weird. Next thing is, oh, this is kind of neat. They are two individually packaged sleeping masks. One tightens your pores, and then the other one is a vitalizer. One more thing, it's from the Balm Cosmetics, and it's What's the Tea? And it's Hot Tea Eyeshadow Mini in warm shade. That is the cutest thing ever. It's a little tea eyeshadow. That is everything that I got this month, and so now we're gonna do my makeup, and the first thing I'm gonna do is use this Glam Glow moisturizer. Come with any foundation or setting powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I am currently using the Catrice foundation. I really like it, and so I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back. I'm back. I did my eyebrows and my foundation. I did not do that good of a job. I'm not doing anything tonight, so I'm literally just gonna wash this off, so I went really fast, so sorry if it looks kind of bad. We are gonna do this bronzer shade from Pacifica now. And now we're gonna do the blush shade. I did not know this at first, but it is a shimmer like blush, so you can tell, like when I look to the side, how shimmery it is. I really don't like that. I really don't like the blush. I like the bronzer. I look like a clown. I did like the bronzer in this, and I so far am really liking the Glam Glow moisturizer. I feel like my makeup went on like it always does. I guess the last two things are the eyeshadow and the mascara. I am not good at eyeshadow. I normally don't wear eyeshadow. I'll just put mascara on and go out the door, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna get my Game of Thrones palette, and I think I'm gonna start off with this House Lannister shade. It's like a pinky kind of shade. I really don't know what I'm doing, so. This pink shade right here, Bay of Dragons. I'm not a big fan of it, but like I said, I'm new to eyeshadow, so I think I did an okay job. And the last thing we have to do is the mascara, and if it's blue, I feel like it's gonna ruin everything. So let's see what it is. Oh, thank God, it's black. So let's put on the mascara. I just did my mascara. I also did some lip gloss. I totally forgot to curl my lashes before I put on mascara. I do like it. I think it gave my lashes some extra length. It's not my favorite mascara. I have some that I like a lot better than it, but I will use it. I think it's really pretty. This is the final look. I know it looks kind of crazy. I was in a rush. I had to go to the store, and I'm just gonna take this off right when I get home. I wasn't doing anything after this. I really like this bag. I think the Glam Glow would be my favorite. I love the bronzer on this, and I also really like the eyeshadow. This I'll still use. I just would not get this again. And I haven't tried these out, but I am excited to try another sleeping mask out. That is all for today's video. I really hope you liked it. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!